In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check traffic ticket online in New York. Before you begin, it's important to know that the process depends on the kind of ticket you received. In New York, there's a difference between a moving violation, like speeding or another driving offense, and a parking or camera violation, such as a red light camera or parking ticket. If you use the wrong website, you may not be able to find your ticket, so this first distinction is the most important part of the process. To get started, go to the official New York City ticket search page. This is where many people begin when trying to look up a violation online. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm what type of ticket you have in front of you. The information printed on the ticket usually tells you whether it's related to parking, a camera violation, or a moving violation issued by an officer. If your ticket is a moving violation in New York City, you'll need to use the New York DMV's plead or pay TVB tickets system. TVB stands for Traffic Violations Bureau, and this is the correct platform for many driving-related tickets issued within New York City. Through that system, you can look up your ticket, review the record, and in many cases take the next step, such as entering a plea or paying the violation if that option applies. When using the DMV system, have the correct identifying information ready. Typically, you'll need your 8-digit ticket number or your client identification number. Enter the information carefully because even one incorrect digit can prevent the system from finding your record. If the ticket isn't showing up right away, double-check the number on the citation and make sure you're searching in the correct portal for the type of violation you received. This step is especially important because New York does not handle every traffic-related ticket through one single website. A parking or camera violation may be listed in one city payment portal, while a moving violation in New York City may be handled through the DMV's Traffic Violations Bureau system instead. As a helpful tip, make sure you're using an official government website before entering any ticket information. Official sites are usually the safest and most accurate source for checking status, deadlines, and available options. Once you've identified the ticket type and opened the correct site, you'll be in the right place to check the ticket details online and move forward with the appropriate next step.